Interesting facts about the dogs. Scientific name: dogs are the domesticated descendants of the wolf. There are many types of dogs, which we will list in detail below. Dogs have one of two scientific names depending on the species. The two scientific names for dogs are Canis familiaris, domestic dog, the most common and best fit for most types of pet dogs. Canis lupus familiaris, domestic wolf dog, a subspecies of the wolf. All types of dogs are in the family Canidae, the dog-like carnivorans or canids, while the genus Canis means dog, and includes wolves, dogs, coyotes, and jackals. Their subfamily is Caninae, or canines, while their tribe is the dog-like or true dog tribe Canini, and their subtribe is the wolf-like canids of Canina. Dogs are one of the first animals to be domesticated by prehistoric man. History of domestication: humans and dogs have been in a long-standing partnership since ancient times. This partnership was likely formed out of the human need for help with herding, hunting, and alarm systems, as well as a source of food. In return, dogs were provided with protection, shelter, and companionship. The exact time that this relationship was forged is still being discussed. Research conducted using mitochondrial DNA has revealed that wolves and dogs diverged into separate species about 100,000 years ago. While mtDNA research has provided some insight into the period of domestication that may have occurred between 40,000 and 20,000 years ago, scientists have not reached an accord on the exact findings. Some theories state that the animals were first domesticated in East Asia. Others suggest it was in the Middle East, while others propose that domestication took place in Europe at a later stage. Experts now acknowledge that the range of different dog breeds we see today has only recently come about. Nevertheless, the remarkable variety of dogs is a reminder of their traditional and diverse domestication processes. Dog sizes range from tiny teacup poodles, which weigh as little as 1 pound, to enormous mastiffs tipping the scales at over 200 pounds. Furthermore, there are differences in the skull, body, and limb shapes of breeds, and they also have varying abilities, such as searching, retrieving, guiding, and herding. Humans were originally hunter-gatherers, and as they moved around, so did their dogs. This meant that the two populations were geographically isolated for a while. As the human population increased and trade networks developed, people reconnected, and the dog population was genetically mixed. About 500 years ago, breeders created different types of dogs from a fairly homogeneous gene pool of dogs with mixed genetic heritages that had originated from various places. Characteristics: there are many types of dogs, but all members of the genus Canis have common physical characteristics. Bone structure, behavior, and reproduction are just a few markers that are unique to canids. Many types of dogs have unique characteristics that distinguish them from wolves. You can use some of these markers to determine whether a canid is a wolf or a dog. Canine teeth: dogs are descendants of wolves and have a dental pattern that reflects the carnivorous diet. Their teeth are sharp and designed to rip apart and chew meat. The four sharp, pointed teeth many humans have are called canines, for their resemblance. Teeth are one of the easiest ways to identify a canine. Most canids, of the family Canidae, have 42 teeth, with a dental formula of 3.1.4.23.1.4.3. Other canid features: canids generally share similar skull features, basic body shape, monogamous and pack behavior, and retention of adult offspring. Diet. Because dogs descended from wolves, they are carnivores with biology designed for a meat-based diet. However, very few pet dogs today eat strictly meat. Modern dog food is much more affordable than a pure meat diet and offers a wider range of nutrients. Today, dog food is often made by blending meat with grains and vegetables. Different meats like salmon, chicken, venison, beef, and pork are often used in dog food. These meats are commonly combined with potatoes, peas, carrots, and other vegetables. Depending on your pet's dietary needs, there are many dog foods to choose from. There are dog foods to help your pet gain weight and dog food to help them lose weight. There are even dog foods for allergies. Many owners start by first choosing wet versus dry dog food and going from there. Some of the best dog food options are below. Best overall dog food, best organic dog food, best dog food for allergies, best wet dog food, best dry dog food, best high-calorie dog food, best freeze-dried dog food. Some houseplants are poisonous to dogs, including begonia, poinsettia, and aloe vera. Many human food items are indigestible or toxic to dogs, such as chocolate, onion, garlic, macadamia nuts, xylitol, and nicotine. Diet-wise, dogs are omnivores and can handle a diet with more starch in it than a wolf, which is more strictly carnivorous. Features. Dogs have a greater variance in behavioral and physical variation than any other land mammal, including wolves. Dogs have starch gel electrophoresis of red blood cell acid phosphatase. They also have smaller, compressed, and crumpled tympanic bulli. Physically, they have a more domed forehead and stop between the nose and forehead. Wolves have a more prominent temporalis muscle, the muscle that closes the jaws, and do not have dew claws on their back legs. Dogs lack a precaudal gland and go into estrus twice instead of once a year. Whereas dogs usually have brown eyes, wolves have amber or pale-colored eyes. Their skin is thicker, and their paws are half the size of those of a wolf. Dog exceptions. There are several tribes of the subfamily Canini. The dog-like tribe Canini is sister to the wolf-like tribe Vulpini. They are in the suborder Caniformia or Canoidea, the dog-like carnivorans. It stands in stark contrast to the cat-like carnivorans, the Feliformia or Feloidea. Suborder of Carnivora. Types of dogs. Several types of dog groups are classified based on what they were bred to do. Sporting dogs. Sporting dogs were bred to help their hunters capture and retrieve game birds. Retrievers swim and focus on waterfowl, while setters, spaniels, and pointers hunt game birds. Their coats are often thick and water-repellent to protect against the elements. Some examples of sporting dog breeds are Golden Retriever, Labrador Retriever, the Nova Scotia Duck, Tolling Retriever, Cocker Spaniel, and German Short-haired Pointer. Hound dogs. Hound dogs were bred to chase after warm-blooded, terrestrial prey. They are generally divided into sighthounds, who use speed and vision to chase jackrabbits and antelopes, while scent hounds can use their noses to trail raccoons and people. All have strong prey drives. Some examples of hound dog breeds are Bloodhound, Greyhound, and Dachshund. Working dogs. Working dogs were bred to perform tasks such as guarding families or pulling sleds and carts. The Boxer, Great Dane, and Rottweiler, and a few examples of working dog breeds. Herding dogs. Herding dogs are a type of working dog, along with Service dogs. While herding dogs help herd livestock, service dogs help people with disabilities. However, they differ in that they were bred specifically to herd livestock, such as sheep, cattle, and reindeer. Some are excellent for police and military work. A few examples of herding dog breeds are Border Collie, German Shepherd, and Icelandic Sheepdog. Terrier dogs were bred to be small in order to go after vermin hiding in the ground. They include terrier breeds, which have long legs to dig out rodents, and bully breeds, which were used for bull baiting and now make companion dogs. Bull Terrier, Scottish Terrier, and Welsh Terrier are examples of terrier dog breeds. Some terrier breeds, like the Airedale Terrier, Kerry Blue Terrier, and the Irish Terrier, have curly fur. Toy dogs were bred for their small size to be companion dogs. They are perfect for city dwellers or anyone living in a small house. A few examples of toy dog breeds are Chihuahua, Pug, and Shih Tzu. Non-sporting dogs do not fit into any of the other group types and were bred to be companion animals. The Bulldog, Dalmatian, and Toy Poodle are a few examples of non-sporting dogs. You can check out dogs that can protect you from dangerous animals, like mountain lions, while hiking. Dog-wolf hybrids. Dogs share a common ancestor with modern wolves. Many large dog breeds have been bred with wolves, such as Malamutes and Huskies. Some are sought by private citizens, while others have been used for security work. For example, the Russians in the late 1990s created a breeding program for wolf-dog hybrids called Volkosoby or Volkosob, which are used for border control. See a list of 8 dogs that look like wolves here.